Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I will show how to replace or install shark antenna, which in case I know that many Audi A3 fans like it, enjoy, and I also like it too. And I will show different types of shark antennas that you can buy. And guys, basically when you're gonna install this kind of shark antennas, you need to take care about the connections, because in this case, the Audi A3, I have one shark antenna right here that I installed a long time ago, but it's not working because the connection is different. So pay attention to the connection in this video because they can be tricky. But guys, before we start installing it, or in my case replacing, because I already have a shark antenna installed, I want to talk about a new partnership in the channel. A few weeks ago, a company called Hipa Parts from United States get in touch with me to see if I can test their products and make a partnership. Hipa Parts, it's a company that is based on the United States, and they are specialists in garden machines. But unfortunately I don't have a garden, so I cannot test their products as they want in the beginning, because I don't have a way to test. I would love it, but I have great news. If you are in the United States, if you have a garden and you have machines, of course take care of your garden, which I believe everyone have if you have a garden, of course. So if you are one of those, I have great news for you, because Hipa Parts is giving away air filter kits and some safety glass or goggles completely free. So their intention is to promote their products, of course, and they want a real feedback for final users. So if you want to receive their air filters or the goggles, and you are based in US, of course, at least for now, it's only for United States people due to their location. But guys, let's take a look in the Hipa Parts website, and I will show you really easy how you can achieve their products, and I will show you a little bit of their website and also the giveaway that they are doing. And if you want to receive their offer, you need to hurry up, because it will end in the end of this month. So just go to the website and follow the steps. I will leave also the link in the description so you can easily access to the promotion and to their website, of course. And guys, let's support also who support us. And by the way, really appreciate the Hipa Parts confidence. So thanks to Hipa Parts to give me this chance to make part of their community, even though I'm not a specialist in gardens or in garden machines, you know. So guys, let's see their website. So guys, once you reach their website, you will have access to their offers, or completely free offers, which in this case are these safety glasses and of course the famous air filters. So guys, if you scroll down, you have right here the steps that you have to get your price. And basically you have to create an account, choose which offer you want, and then when at the checkout you need to add the code sign up when in the discount, like a discount code. So guys, it's completely free and easy. You just need to pay attention, of course, to these rules, because you can only receive one for each person. Once you reach their website, you also can take a look to their products, because they have amazing prices, and the feedbacks that I saw of their products are really good. And they also have a YouTube website with a lot of do-it-yourself. So guys, give it a chance to Hipa Parts and make part of Hipa Parts community. So Hipa Parts, thanks for the opportunity to work with you. So guys, right now let's replace this shark antenna, because mine is ugly and I need to install a new one. So guys, let's go. Let me remove this, way easier. Guys, a quick update: I'm installing LEDs in every single interior light. So you can see it here, it's LED. That's the reason that this thing is right here. Let me see. You can see it right here. I installed also LEDs, and I'm installing LEDs in every light that I have inside the car. So guys, in this special model, if you want to change or replace or install this kind of antennas or have access to the antenna, the first thing you need to do is to remove this cover right here, that we have some clips which I already removed because I made all the headliner brand new. But to remove this cover, you just need to pull out these side columns over here, and then you will have access under this area over here. What I'm gonna do is to pull out these side columns a little bit so I can show you a little bit better the installation. Let's go. So guys, this is a little bit tricky to show you how to place a camera over here, but basically I have a nut holding the antenna like this one. What I'm gonna do is to remove this nut that is installed in the car, and then of course remove the old antenna, install the new one. So you can see the nut right here, and I'm gonna remove it. Once you remove the nut, you just need to pull out your antenna, and this process it's really similar if you have the original one. So to remove the original one, you have a nut under here and you remove the antenna. So guys, there is different types of shark antennas. This one, it's the one that I bought to install. It have this kind of connection, and at the beginning I thought this one is the right connector, but it's not, so I'll have to buy an adapter. Then you have the ones with this connection, which is also not the right one for this car. Then you have this type that is really common. They have a board right here with the antenna, and then you just need to remove the old one, the longer one, you know, the original one actually. Put the screw right here that it comes with the kit. Install rubber protection to prevent water to go inside, and that's it. Guys, right now what I'm gonna do is to install the new one that I bought for this car, and then I have to buy an adapter to install this one because right now it will not work. So, but let's go, guys. As you can see, this is the connection of the car. This is the one that I thought that was the right one, but it's not. So I will have to buy an adapter for this, otherwise I cannot make the radio work. As you can see, these shark antennas, they are pretty nice, but unfortunately mine, for my fault, it will not work today, but will work in the future for sure. So guys, thanks for watching. We continue to work in this Audi to make it look nice. So guys, thanks for watching, and guys, as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.